We'll continue to track subtropical storm Nicole. Broward County is now under a hurricane watch and a tropical storm warning. Miami-Dade is under a tropical storm watch.
Those two counties are also under a state of emergency. Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera is here with the latest on the system. Ivan.
Yeah, the difference there, by the way, watches issued 48 hours in advance of the system. Warning is something that, is going to be closer in hand here, and the tropical storm warning now basically now guarantees I think we'll get 39+ mile-an-hour winds here. I still think this is going to be a wind event for South Florida. It is not going to be a hurricane event here as far as significant wind. We are going to get some coastal flooding here, but this is not going to be kind of monster hurricane that we're going to remember forever. But some of the impacts will be significant, and we'll go through them here as we head into the next couple of days. 10 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. There is Nicole. These are the latest alerts, and Lauren and Ellie just talked about that, where you see the yellow. That's our tropical storm watch that will become a warning by the time we get into tomorrow, I think. And there's the upgrade across Broward for a tropical storm warning. Latest track from the NHC. There it is at 70 miles an hour to 75, becoming a hurricane. And it's just fascinating here because the high is going to push it down. It's going to almost go southwest, and then a front's going to pick it up and swing it back out. I mean, if this, if we had pushed this a little bit further to the east, but unfortunately the front is late, and so it hits us as opposed to missing us. Now, a closer shot, so you'll be able to see here the Bahamas under a hurricane warning as we speak. 75-mile-an-hour winds, not 85, 95. So we're looking at a minimal hurricane, strong tropical storm, and the worst of the conditions will be north of the center once this compacts into a typical tropical storm here, a typical hurricane, not what we have right now, which is a subtropical Nicole. Look at the expansive cloud deck here from north to south. These things tend to be huge. They are lopsided. The difference between a subtropical storm and a true tropical storm, you see the core there, the very symmetrical system. The strongest winds are typically near the center when we're talking about a hurricane. With this, not symmetrical. Some of the wind gusts are actually highest well away, hundreds of miles away from the center. We're expecting, though, a transition from what you see here to a more compact system, and that's what we have to talk about storm surge as well to the north of that as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. So there is the tropical storm force winds. They're going to continue to approach. I think for us in South Florida, the worst day is going to be Wednesday. That's when we're going to have all the rain. That's when we're going to have all the wind. And take a look at Thursday, 6 a.m. That wind field, the tropical storm wind field, shifts up, and of course the hurricane force winds are going to be well to our north. We're going to get an offshore wind, so storm surge will be north of that center. So that's the way it's going to shake out for us. I think coastal flood watches certainly 1 to 2 feet here, and wherever this makes landfall as a hurricane or strong tropical storm to the north of that, that's when we're going to push the water in, and that's when we're going to get the potential 2 to 4 feet. Nicole and king tides. I mean, just everything has come together for us here, unfortunately, right? There are the times of high tides. I'm expecting some flooding throughout the next cycles here because we are currently in a full moon. By the way, the showers and storms will continue to roll through well out ahead because of what a large system it is. We'll continue to get some gusty winds as well, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles an hour, and then we'll get into the real bands here that are going to bring us the heavy downpours, the potential flooding, and those tropical storm force wind gusts. Before we go to break, I'll leave you with the 7-day forecast, which you'll see improving weather conditions after Thursday heading into the weekend.